What do you know about Area 51? Area 51 is surrounded by myths involving, mainly, extraterrestrials. Space has always been shrouded in mystery as it is a secret U.S. military installation. It was only in 2013 that the White House recognized the region's existence. The military base known as Area 51 is located in a remote area of southern Nevada, about 161 kilometers from the city of Las Vegas. It is in the middle of a federally protected area of the United States Air Force Nevada Test and Training Range. Area 51 is the name that appears on maps of the area within the Nevada National Security Site, where the White House conducts covert military operations. Because it is a secret place, very little is known about the place, but what actually happens there? There are many theories, and together we will analyze them all, and you who will follow me in this video will draw your own conclusions. There are many people who claim to have seen UFOs around Area 51, and as it is a place that the American government keeps secret, it has given rise to many theories. Mainly conspiracy theories about aliens since the 1950s, when some people reported seeing UFOs at the base site. Conspiracy theories. Theory 1. The government uses Area 51 to test extraterrestrial technology. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar claimed that he worked in a sector of Area 51 called S4. In this sector, he tested extraterrestrial technology, such as an alien ship powered by antimatter and a mysterious substance called Element 115, which generated a powerful gravitational wave. Lazar also revealed that the American government has documents describing the involvement of aliens with humans over the last 10 years. Theory 2. Captured aliens are kept at the base. Another theory, released by a man identified only as Victor, is that extraterrestrial creatures are trapped there and subjected to examinations by the American government. This theory gained traction in the 1990s when a 17-minute video showed an autopsy being performed on an alien. Theory 3. Human-alien hybrids are being created on site. Perhaps the most bizarre theory about Area 51. A group of ufologists believe that the secret base is home to joint research laboratories between aliens and humans to create a new hybrid race between the two species. They detail how these experiments would be done, but trust me, you don't want to know. Theory 4. It is a secret New World Order base. A group of conspirators claim that Area 51 is not only a place for studying extraterrestrials, but also for meetings between the true leaders of Earth, the so-called New World Order. Some aspects of this theory say that alien beings are also part of this secret government. Theory 5. The moon landing was recorded at Area 51. It's been 50 years since Neil Armstrong took one small step for man, one giant step for humanity. Since then, hundreds of theories have been created about man's arrival on the moon, one of them being that the Great Landing was recorded in the desert territory of Area 51. Theory 6. Climate control weapons are created on site. In this theory, Area 51 would be used to create devices that control and use the weather as a weapon. Called Cirrus, the project would have started in the 40s and would last until today. Theory 7. This is where the American government builds the black helicopters. In a 2-in-1 theory, the secret base would be the factory of the fearsome black helicopters, vehicles used by the U.S. military for missions such as dumping toxic products in suburban areas and nations that are enemies of the United States. United States government positions on Area 51. It was only in 2013 that the White House recognized the existence of the region. The United States government has provided minimal information about Area 51. The area around the lake is permanently off-limits to normal civilian and military air traffic. Security clearances are checked regularly, cameras and weapons are not permitted. Even training military pilots risk disciplinary action if they stray into the exclusionary area surrounding Groom's airspace. Surveillance is supplemented using buried motion sensors. Event on Facebook. Matty Roberts created the Facebook event on June 27 as a joke, not imagining the viral spread the event would receive. Event plans attack in Amargosa Valley from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Post date on September 20, 2019. After the meme spread virally, Roberts became worried that he might receive a visit from the FBI. The event received 2 million going signatures and another 1.5 million interested signatures on August 22. Do you think it's a common military base? Do you really hide secrets in that place? Leave your opinion in our comments. And follow me for more content like this.